Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Daniel Cook, also known as the Afro Overlander on Instagram. This is my 2022 Nissan Frontier. It's a third gen Frontier. In the front here, I'm sporting the Coastal Off-Road front bumper here. It's an aluminum bumper. It's got room for the light bar here. And I don't have one right now, but you can also put a winch in here if you so desire. I'm also sporting the Alldogs Offroad suspension system here and a lot of vivid lights. So we've got the side shooters, we've got the FNG's force over there. And then on the side, we have the extension bracket that's holding the Midland MXT 500. Pretty much a lot of stuff we have in the front here. Only other things here is a solar panel along with a storage case that I keep a lot of my off-road gear in for whenever we're out and having an adventure. As far as wheels and tires goes, I'm running the Maxxis Razor ATs. These are actually 295 7017s, wrapped over the black Rhino in chrome. Love the chrome look. Try to put as much on the truck as possible here with the bumper, here in other places as well too. But yep. So the latest addition to the truck is actually this pack-out camper, which I'm representing here at Overland Expo today. I used to have a different sleep solution here, but decided to go with the full camper system just because I work fully remote and I want to be out there exploring, camping as long as possible. So here in Colorado it does snow, so I've got a little diesel here, just mounts on via magnets and keep a propane tank in here for cooking and other uses. But in the back of the truck here, we've got the fridge. We've got a little battery system here. It's a 1500 watts. I've got a lot of overlanding things here with like axe shovels, flashlights, things like that. And then this actually opens up to house all of my camping gear and cooking gear that I use on a daily basis. And then so I actually added a mattress pad in here because you want to sit sometimes and be able to utilize this space. But yeah, this is awesome. And then some of the additions to include some reverse lights, backup lights, chase lights, whatever you want to use it as. But in the future, we're going to add a 270 awning and some drop-down table with other accessories for the truck. One of my favorite parts about this build is actually having the swivel table in here. So if you're familiar with this, it essentially can turn sideways. So when I'm traveling with my partner here, we sit and we're able to play games, eat food, work remote. It's wide enough to house 2 laptops and things like that. So yep, I just like it, and it packs up easily. It comes out into 3 separate pieces and I just store it here in the truck. Again, my name is Daniel Cook, also known as the Afro Overlander on Instagram. And thank you so much to Alldogs Offroad for sponsoring me, along with my vehicle, on their Behind the Build series.